how to get Cashapp in Canada. So all that you have to do is to simply go to your Play Store. So we are going to the Play Store, and then on the Play Store, what you have to do is to just search for Cashapp. Okay, so just search for Cashapp. So I'm searching for Cashapp and allow it to load. So when it comes, just look through the Play Store app. You will see the Cashapp. As you can see here, this is the Cashapp from the Play Store. So all that you have to simply do is to just click on the Cashapp. Let me tap on the Cashapp, and as you can see, this is the Cashapp. I can simply install it. If you haven't installed it already, it is showing updates because I have already installed it. Okay, so just simply install it from the Play Store. Let's go back and then open the Cashapp. Just open it and allow it to open. So after installing the Cashapp and then you open it, this is how it will look like on your mobile phone. Okay, when you look at the top right hand corner, you can see we have the profile icon here. Just click on it, and you have to do this important thing. Just scroll down here and then come to linked bank. Where we have the link bank, just click on it and then click on link debit card. Okay, so the most important thing after installing the app is to link your bank to it by using your debit card. Okay, just simply type in your debit card number here, then you put in your month and then year and then your digit code. Then you just come down here, then the right button here, just click on link card, and then they will link your bank to the Cashapp for you successfully. So when you are done, you can also refer others to use the app, and then you will get a commission. Okay, so when you come to the home side, the left hand side, the button here, just click on the home icon here, and then it will bring you right here. Over here, you can add cash to your Cashapp, as you can see here, and then you can cash out by simply clicking on the cash out. Beside that one too, they also give you the option to refer people and then earn money. When you go to the profile icon here again and then you tap on it and you come down here, you can see we have invite friends and then get $5. So when you click on the invite friends, and you can simply invite anybody on your contact list and then you will get $5. Okay, so I have already invited someone, so I can get $5 from all the rest of my contacts. So this is how to get Cashapp in Canada. And then I am having a link of a video in the video description showing exactly how to download the Cashapp from the Play Store if you find any difficulty in downloading the Cashapp. Okay, so just watch the video and then know exactly how to download the Cashapp from the Play Store. So thank you for watching. Like the video and then see you in my next video.